What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Play Store not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then scroll down and find Google Play Store and click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache and data of your Play Store. After clear the data and cache memory of your Play Store, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.